Whoa. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been like 2 weeks since I last uploaded. I've been sick. I'm still kind of sick. But today's topic is going to be about are Instagram influencers dead? Instagram influencers are not dead. I don't care what anybody says. I'm about to hit 20K at the end of this month, hopefully, if everything goes right, off straight influencers. I've tried to get into Facebook ads, but I'm still negative on that side. I've only had 1 to 2 sales, which was pretty bad. And yeah, it's a lot of learning to do. But with Instagram influencers, you can make $3,000 one day, $2,000 another day. Like recently, like 2 weeks ago, I went to go see Black Panther. I ran a promo. It was like 9 o'clock, and whole 24 hours passed, and it was like $1,800. I made $1,800 off an influencer. $1,800 off an influencer. It was crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. And I buy my promos in packages, so it was like, I mean, the promo literally comes out to like 50 bucks. So if I spend 50 bucks, I make $1,800. It's worth it. Trust me. Instagram influencers are not dead. And currently, I'm around like I'm at around like 14K or 15K for straight influencers, like, and profits anywhere from like $10,000 to $11,000. And I would throw up a screenshot right here, but last time that I did that, I had 2 guys hit me up in my DMs talking about, oh bro, you took this dude's picture. I was like, bro, why would I do that? So all I did was literally screen recorded that's exactly what I'm gonna do right here. Screen recorded me going to my Shopify store, not my Shopify store, but the app, hitting the dashboard, boom, sent it to the dude. The guy didn't say anything. He didn't even reply. But just comes to show that Instagram influencers are not dead. I'm about to make, I'm not gonna tell you like, oh, with $10 you're gonna make $10,000. Like, it's gonna take money. I've literally invested maybe around anywhere from $2,000 now to $1.5 to $2,000, anywhere around there. But Instagram influencers are not dead. And I'll definitely show you guys how I make my promos in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully it'll be up in like 2 to 3 days. And people tell you to go make the promos on Canva, but I mean, I've never done any promos straight off of Canva. I mostly use Photoshop and Adobe Premiere, and I'll definitely show you. It does not take it. It's literally the same thing as Canva. I think Photoshop's even better, and it's free. I'll definitely just DM me and I'll show you guys how to get Photoshop and Adobe Premiere for free. Because when you have a promo that has me, I mean, in my promos especially, I do like a little video and put a little bit of music to make it a little fun, creative, and I mean, it works. And I'll definitely show you guys how I make an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month, just flipping iPhones, fixing iPhones, literally, just 1/4 of the stack. There's more, literally more, more. Tons of phones. Literally, you can buy a cracked iPhone for $100, flip it anywhere. Let's say like I just bought this one for $150, iPhone 6s Plus, and screen literally cost me. Screens cost me anywhere from $50 to $20. Do the math, sell it. It's literally a profit of $100 to $150. It depends on how fast you want to get your money. I sell everywhere. I sell on OfferUp, Letgo, Craigslist, locally on the marketplace on Facebook, or you can even sell it on eBay. eBay, people pay more. It's more trustworthy. But yeah, I definitely have a video up showing you guys how I do that. And trust me, it literally takes 10 bucks. Boom, clients. I'll show you guys how I get my clients, how I'm able to do. I fix anywhere from like 3 to 5 phones a week. Do the math, boom, boom, boom. 20, that's almost $2,000 if I do $100. But yeah, is that it? Yeah. Stay tuned. 2 videos coming up this week: the iPhone, how to flip iPhones, and how I make my promos. So hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit my Instagram. I'll have DM me if you have any questions on how to get Photoshop for free, Adobe Premiere for free, or anything. Just I'll even send you links to the tools that I use to flip iPhones, fix iPhones, and yeah.